Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this edgy teal eyeshadow look. Make sure that you subscribe down below as well as click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. And if you would like to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Happy Friday, you guys. I'm going to be recreating another one of my looks. I really should just film when I don't think you guys are gonna ask for a tutorial versus when I do think you guys are gonna ask for a tutorial. I'm going to keep the eye look the exact same as this photo right here. But I am going to switch up the face routine. So first I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize. I'm gonna start with the Hippe Vitamin C serum. And then with the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream Moisturizer, I'm going to moisturize my skin. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Koh Gen Do Aqua foundation. And yes, it is in a different packaging. This is what it looked like before. Now it looks like this. It has been reformulated. No primer today. I'm just going right in after my moisturizer. This is such a perfect match for me. I'm in the shade 301 in this foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Medium Neutral. So now I'm going to go in with the Sigma eyeshadow base primer, and this is in the shade Persuade. Just going to apply this all over my lid and then pat it in. So for the eye look, I want to warn you guys before I do it that I don't know if it's the most wearable way that I did this look because I didn't do blending whatsoever. So if you want to transfer this into something that you can wear out, I mean, I don't have a problem wearing it out, but I understand how it can look a little bit more editorial because I didn't blend it. There's just a disclaimer before we get started. So for the eye look, I use the Almay Thrill Seeker eyeshadow. I use this shade right here, which is the matte shade in the palette, and I just applied it all over the lid. And this shadow is so pigmented, so I literally just made a circle all across my eyelid. And then I just made sure that they were pretty even as far as where they circle around on both eyes. And then right after you apply it, this is the point to where you would want to blend it, like blend the edges with your bronzer or with a tannish shade as a transition color to just blend the edges so they aren't harsh, which I think is pretty, but I totally understand if you don't want to do this bold of a look. So this is the point when you add the transition. And then I also took the same shade and applied it just to the outer edge of the lower lash line and connected it to the shadow on the top lash line. And then for lashes, I use Koko Lashes in the style Queen B. Very similar to the Eyelure lashes that I like to use. They're just a little less thickly spiked than this one. While we let our lashes get a little tacky, I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer. And this is the NARS Casino bronzer. I'm just tapping in a little bit. And then for highlight, I'm going to use this huge palette from Physicians Formula. I think I want to go in with the highlighter in Full Moon. It's like a gold whitish highlight and I want to try it out. I like that. So with highlights here lately, I've been liking to kind of smile and apply it there. I am going to tone it down, so don't be scared. But I like to apply it right on my cheeks and then go out. I just blend it in, tone it down. I could just use a small amount initially, but where's the fun in that? Okay, it's time to throw out the old lash glue because it's just not effective anymore. I'm gonna move on to the new one. You guys saw it here first. Then for mascara, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior. And I only applied the mascara right where I applied the blue on the lower lash line, or the teal. And that was to make it a little bit more like cat eye looking. I think I wore a little bit of blush, so I'm going to apply the NYX Crimson blush. I know, it's so scary, but if you just use a little bit, it's okay. So I just tap once and then apply it to my cheek. So next I'm going to line my lips with NYX Espresso lip pencil, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss, and I use the Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss in the shade Jetsetter. I really like these lip glosses that Laura Geller came out with. They're not too harsh of color. I mean, they give you color, but it's not super pigmented. They're pretty much all nude shades, so you should be able to find a shade for you, and it's not sticky. But one downside is that you have to go back in a lot of times to get it to the intensity. And then I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray. So you guys see kind of a lot of setting mist on my channel. So let me know if you guys want me to do a video specifically on my setting mist, the ones that I recommend to you guys and why I use them for certain things. Let me know if you want that. Well, I have a poll, so take the poll and let me know if you want a video of that, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It means the world to me. I don't think I thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for the support. I see a lot of you guys that I saw in the beginning, even still today. So thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting and commenting and liking. I appreciate it so much. I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.